Hello everyone, in this video we are discuss different method to calculate the time of supply of goods and services. Time of supply of goods under GST, the earlier of the following dates shall be the time of supply of goods. The date on which the supplier is issuing an invoice if the invoice is not issued. The latest date on which the provider is legally required to issue the invoice in relation to supply. Date when the supplier receives the payment. Time of supply of services under GST law. As per the provision section 31 of CGST Act 2070, a registered person supplying taxable services, then the time of supply of service under GST shall be before or after the provision of services but not beyond 30 days. In the case of bank and financial institution, within 45 days from the date of supply of services or sole date of issuing an invoice. Time of supply of goods and services for the reverse charge under GST. The earliest of the following dates will be considered to be the time of supply for goods and services for which tax is paid on a reverse charge. When goods are supplied, the date of receipts of goods or the date on which the payment is debited from the bank account of the recipient, or the date on which it is recorded in his books of accounts, whichever is earlier. The day immediately after 30 days in case of goods and 60 days in case of services from the date of issuing an invoice by the supplier. Time of supply of goods and services for voucher under GST law. The CGST Act 2017 defines a voucher as an instrument with an obligation to accept it in exchange for the supply of goods and services, or both, and where the goods, services, or both be supplied, or the names of their potential supplier are either indicated on the instrument itself in related documentation such as the term and condition of use of such an instrument. In the case of voucher, the time of supply. Time of supply of goods and services for rescheduled provision under GST. If none of the method described above can determine the time of supply, the time of supply will be decided as under when a periodical return must be filed, the date on which such return must be filed. In all other cases, be the date on which tax is paid. Thank you.